Can you imagine the overwhelming barbecue smell when you walk through the door of an Indian restaurant? In the kitchen, a scorching hot tandoor oven is frying spicy and juicy skewers. In this video we show you how to build your own tandoor oven to your backyard. Take your barbecue party to the next level. Start by laying a sturdy concrete base for the tandoor oven. Lay the brick layers to the desired height. Be sure to leave a hole with half a brick in the bottom floor. Place the clay pot on the bottom. Insert the suitable timber into the hole in the bottom part. Insulate brick walls with building wool. Otherwise, the tandoori oven's thermal expansion can crack the walls. Place the second clay pot on top of the first. Here is a tip: soak newspaper in water and place the paper over the pots and wood. This will make the removal work much easier after the concrete has dried. Mix fireproof concrete and pour it into the tandoor oven as it is produced. And now an extremely important tip. Remember to put weights on top of the pots before you start pouring the concrete. This is how you can avoid the disaster that befell us. Mason the lid of the tandoori oven separately. Be sure to leave an appropriately sized hole in the lid. When the concrete has dried, remove the clay pots and the piece of wood from the lower part. Lift the concrete lid in place and start slowly heating your tandoor oven. You should make a lid for the top hole to control the heat escaping during heating and cooking. After a couple of hours of heating, your barbecue party is ready to start. With a little practice, you can cook in your own backyard like in the best Indian restaurant. Thank you for watching. Please support our channel by liking this video and remember to subscribe to the channel. More videos are coming soon.